Cue the clock. 60 seconds on artificial intelligence starts now. Imagine a machine, a computer, possessing the ability to learn, reason, perceive, and even understand human language. This is artificial intelligence, or AI, in its simplest form. A blend of programming and algorithms, AI is a field of computer science that enables machines to mimic human intelligence. From chess-playing computers to voice assistants like Alexa, AI is everywhere, making our lives easier and more efficient. AI is categorized into two types: narrow AI, which is designed to perform a single task such as voice recognition, and general AI that can perform any intellectual task that a human can do. AI is not just a concept of the future, but a reality of our present. As we move forward, AI continues to revolutionize industries, from healthcare to entertainment, creating a world where machines work alongside humans, not against them. And just like that, your 60 seconds on AI is up. Until next time, keep exploring.